Hi students, in this session we are discussing next another important problem we are facing in India, that is corruption. This is one of the serious and dangerous. Nowadays these problems is spread over all those fields in our society. So in this class we are discussing about that particular problem, that is corruption. Okay, we can see corruption is one of the biggest problem. They give a name also like a social evil. One of the important problems. We can see this one in a personal life and a public life. We can see in both the side also this corruption problem. All are we adopted corruption in any one way. So now before that we want to know, already said we are adopted the corruption. That means some of them are they asking question, how we are adopted the corruption? We are student now. How we are doing corruption? No. Nowadays all are we adopted corruption because of without that we could not live. That much we adopted by corruption. So now we have to understand the definition of corruption. Here they given definition of corruption. Corruption means they given illegal benefit and they given offering bribe. Some of them they say, I will give this much of money, you have to do this work. This is one way. Offering bribe means we are saying I will give this much of money. This is one way. Second one, they are giving following any other illegal means. One is we want to give them money. This is one way. Second one, we want to achieve anything. We are using sometimes other way. That is not a good way or correct way. We are using illegal way. So these like if we got any achieved or we got any needed things, so they give a name as a corruption. One is offering bribe. Second one, we are adopted or we are using any other illegal ways. In that best, if you achieved any some things, so these are the matters for they given they called as a corruption. So we can see in this corruption, you all are knowing generally, all are they saying corruption majorly found in government officials or government officers. We already did one, we are saying like a blueprint. Already we are noticed or we already register in our mind also where we can see corruption only in public life, means in government officers or government officials or politicians. But nowadays corruptions not in only in public life or any public officials, in all the sector we can see the corruption. If we are not did our work properly, that also like corruption. So in that based, we have to discuss in that based in personal life, all are they adapted or they adjusted with corruption. We all are adapted the corruption. So they given in textbook and also they are given so like a disease, that also they are given contagious disease. Means if one person if he adapted the corruption, another person if you are seeing, you also coming that particular under. Next another one. All are nowadays we all are How is coronavirus, how they spreading? No, same that like only corruption. Also nowadays they spread overall all the society in all the field. Otherwise you want to say all are. We are adopted corruption. We are following. So now we can see this like we want to see already said public or private both life also we are adopted corruption. We cannot say no only government officials only they are doing corruption, others they are doing proper and sincerely they are doing their work. No. So in that based when we are seeing these like problems, our society now become as a negative way. Our country also. Nowadays, if any work want to done, we want to give money. Otherwise, we cannot get that benefits. All are they knowing. For example, any one person, he want to go any of government officials or government officer, he want to meet and he want to submit or he want to get any work or he want to any benefits, must and should. Generally, they are knowing we want to give money. So in this based we can see, and another one, private life means our individually. Nowadays we lost so much of values because of corruption. We can see one by one. For example, personal ethics. Nowadays we don't know what is cooperation, what is love, what is honesty, what is respect. Nowadays we adapted based on corruption. We are giving respect. We are doing help to others. How? Based on economic status. If in that person is there, like our like of economic status, we are doing all the help for that particular person. Otherwise, if he is the low status, economically is a very weak, a poor person, no. We cannot see that particular person also. So these like nowadays corruptions, they changed our life. That only they say our personal ethics, our theory. What is our human theory? We want to help each other. But nowadays we are doing help based on our status. And not only this one, next one they are saying immoral things. Moral. In our life, moral. No. If any accident, if happened in our area or near wherever if you are going, is happened any accident, we are doing help? No. No, if we are helped, they are doing complaint, we want to go court and we want to submit FIR. Daily we want to go and we want to sign police and we want to submit some of the proofs. So nowadays, that like of mentality also we are not adapted because of corruption. Changed our lifestyle. So immoral. This is also value also. Now loss. Next one, in this like only we can see. So these like in political field also nowadays become as a corrupt or corruption. Personally, I already told how individually peoples that adapted corruption. They not have ethics, personal ethics. I already said no. Ancient times we can see in Vedas period or ancient time peoples, they thinking all are human beings. We want to give equal rights for each other. But nowadays, no. That like of ethics only, that like of theory, we should not be not adapted. And second one, immoral. Immorality. We not have moral values. We are not doing encourage. If any one person, if they are doing anything is a good way, always saying that also as a negative way only. So these are the individual corruptions. What are the individual corruptions we are adopted? Okay, second one, in public life, in society. In our society also now become as a corrupt, means corruption. They also adopted corruption. How? We can see different types of corruptions. One is they are given bribery, means we are giving money. If any needed facility we want to give money, otherwise we cannot get. Not only this one, we can see corruption how is there in our society. If anyone small boy is there in your home or nearby any other against our neighboring any home, if you have anyone small boy, if you need any things, if you want to buy any things in shop, if you give that particular boy for money, we are saying 10 rupees for that things you want to purchase, other 2 rupees you offer tips. So in this way we have started the corruption. Not only this one, we can see this like only if any work we want to fulfill, without money we cannot get the opportunity or facility. So one is bribery. Second one, in that base, second one they given nepotism. This was one of the important corruption nowadays we adopted in our daily life or in our public life or in our society. What is nepotism? Nowadays this word is using more and more. Nepotism, nepotism. What is that one? Nepotism. This word is came in Rome or Greek. This word came in Greek. On that time, nepo means is a relative. Is a relative. Here nowadays people adapted this one theory, nepotism. What is that one? Nepotism. How this one become as a corruption or character? We could not see at that particular person capacity and qualification, but we are giving in that particular person for high responsibility. Because of we are saying is our relatives. So we want to give that particular person for only job or other power. We can see in all the field, no field within nepotism. Not in any one sector, we can see in all the sector. One of the best example, political field. Political parties also nowadays, we can see based on parties, they ruling or they get the power based on nepotism. First that father, after same job or same power, that one going to her son or his son or daughter or any other relatives, they only getting all the opportunities. Only that particular families. So these also like examples for best example for corruption. Nepotism. Next one, this like we can see caste favorism. If anything happened, any incident happened, we are saying, is our caste person? I should not file FIR. Or is our caste, we want to give only our caste papers for only we want to give the job. So this lack of mentality, caste favorism. And always we are focusing, always we are glorifying about our caste. Oh, is our caste. He did any achievement? We are not saying he is a person, he did this like of, no. He is our caste person, he did this like of achievements. This is also one of the important reason. Next one, international slowdown. Last one reason. Last one we can see in public life. One of the best example for corruption, that is slowdown, work. If they given any work, they given any time or any date, within time you want to complete, that is good way. But nowadays we are not doing that like of way. Slow. After one day we want to remind once again, hey, I said no this like of work, why you should not do it? Once again after remind, after only they are doing the work. Or we want to give any something. after only getting the benefits. So these are the important reasons or important things we can see in corruptions adapted, or we can see corruption is in our society. Now we understood our personal life and our public life. Both sector also we can see the corruption, but not is there in corruption in meanings in that same word. We can see different way we can find out the corruption. So next, in that based, we can see these type of corruptions nowadays become as a crime in political field, like a crime. How we can see, because of we can see so nowadays some of them they motivating to the peoples based on corruption. I already said corruption means only offering the bribe. No, already said caste favorism also corruption, nepotism also corruption, and slow work also corruption. So in that based we can see in political field we can see these like of corruptions. We can see so much. So they given political corruptions leads to crime. Nowadays we are seeing so much of riots or mobs because of who is backbone in that particular mobs or riots? Politicals or politicians. So these like corruptions is creating crime in our society. So we can see in that like only they give motivation to the peoples. We want to do this like you are our caste no, you are our nepotism means our relatives no. So we want to do this like. We are giving motivation in political sector. Next one they are given, and we are saying we are nourishing means we are encouraging misadministration. That only they are saying if they are doing proper way administrative backbone peoples or politicians, they are saying hey why you are doing this like. Or is there nowadays another method, that is transfer. If you are doing properly that work, government they are transferring that person to any other post. So these like also we can see corruption adapted in our political field. Okay, next one. So in that like we can see not only this one we can see different types of corruption. Second one, next one they given tax evasion. We want to pay how much of income you are getting, we earn on that particular income for we want to pay the tax, but some of them they are not showing how much of income they earn. So this is one of the important reason. This is one of the important method or form of corruption. Next one they given illegal hoarding. Some of them what they have their wealth or they have any other things we want to show, we want to give the account of government or income tax department, but some of them the illegal method they kept in their home. Some of them gold, some of them money, or some of them other things. This is also one like of corruption. Next one we can see smuggling is coming in, some smuggling in kidnap, or some of them they cutting the valuable trees and they selling to other, that also illegal way. This is also one of the important form of corruption. Next one economic offense. Economically what we are doing is we are not showing that much of income, that only they are saying by economic offense. You can say this like for example any one person he invested 1000 crores of money in any one particular job, but government he always showing in about the government how much he invested in that particular job, only 800 or 500 crores, that much only. So this is also like a corruption. Next one they given cheating and violation and in international exchange and employment cheating. These all also like a form of corruptions. Only offering bribe means only we are giving money, this only corruption. No, there is a different ways. So I said no, like this is like no spread by corruption all over the world, not only world, in our society also, in our India. So in that base they have given different types of forms, different types of names about the corruption, different types of method of corruptions. Okay, next we want to know, is there any solutions about this type of corruption? Can solve? Yes, we can solve. First of all, we want to do what they are offering, we want to reject. First of all, common peoples. This is one of the important solution. If any one person, personally or public life, if any other person, if they are offering, I will give 500 rupees, you want to do this work, I will give 1000 rupees, you want to reject. Should not take the money, or should not give them money. This is also one of the important solution for corruption. Next one, we can see these like only, and we want to adapt public ethics, personal ethics and morality. We want to adapt our daily life. This is also one of the important solution. And next one, next they are given this like only, we want to implement lack of strict supervision is there, so we want to implement strict supervision. Some of them, they're doing corruption, they're following the adapted corruption. We want to, who are officer or head of that particular department, they want to always supervise the department or supervise the officers. So this is also one of the important solutions. And in that based, they are saying ethics also adapted in political leaders who are politicians, who are there in our society. They want to adapt ethics, that also good ethics, good theory. They want to adapt in their life good theory. So these like they given some of the important points, and we want to give awareness in the based on education field. Who are getting the education, we want to say should not follow the corruption. We want to give good education to the children as well as peoples. And we want to install CC camera or CCTV in each department, because of all they want to do work sincerely and properly. So in that based, our state government and central government both also, they implemented one of the new institutions to control corruption, that is Lokayukta and Lokpal. But nowadays our state government, means our Karnataka state government, they implemented another new institution to control corruption, that is ACB, Anti-Corruption Bureau. So government also, they took some of the remedies measures. We want to take some of the remedies. We want to take some of the decisions. So in that based only, we can solve the corruption, or we can stop the corruptions. And not only this one, government, if the any one person, if he adapted or he took the money or is encouraging corruption, we want to give for him punishment. That also effectively they want to implement. If you are implementing effectively the punishment for that particular person, others also they are seeing, and they also should not follow the corruption. And not only this one, we want to increase the numbers of judges, because of nowadays they all are knowing, I already said, what are the problems we are facing in our country is one of the remedies measure, that is fast and effective judiciary system. So in that base, if you are increase the number of judges who are they followed by corruptions, we can give fastly for them the judgment or punishment. So these like of methods, if you follow, we can solve the problem of corruption. These are the important points about corruption, meaning of corruption, reason and the solutions. Okay, thank you. Bye.